I'm Barry Greenhut. I'm part of the team that designs, builds, and improves Oracle Risk Management Cloud. Each day, our customers tell us how we can make their jobs easier, and we listen. We've built a wave of improvements that reduce the time it takes to design and configure solutions, empower your users to work better and faster, and make it easier to tackle complex and dynamic needs. For starters, we've made navigating and configuring more intuitive. Now there's a single group of icons that shows you everything you need, a single navigation group that does the same, and a single toolbar on each page, which makes it easier to find actions. Our pre-built advanced controls are now stored inside Risk Cloud. No more hunting for files to import. Our new Business Object Visualizer shows how our pre-built objects are related to each other. It guides and accelerates you when you're designing analyses. Now your Access certifications can automatically assign reviews to the direct managers of the users who are being certified. That means no more time spent configuring reviewers, unless you want to. In financial reporting compliance, we've made it easier to complete assessments. We reduced the number of clicks dramatically. And now we help you digitize enterprise risk management, which can show your organization how to right-size its control enforcement efforts. That could be a huge time and resource saver. We let you enable audit policies that track changes to key advanced controls configurations like global users, entitlements and their access points, and controls. Compared to taking frequent snapshots, that could be another big time saver. It might make your auditors happy too. We've also learned from your experiences with your data. For example, user-defined access points now eliminate many kinds of false positives in our deep access analyses. That improves your signal-to-noise ratio and reduces the time spent reviewing results. But perhaps most helpfully, we've simplified the way you assign Risk Cloud tasks and secure Risk Cloud data. Now you make assignments intuitively just by picking names from lists. We show you those assignments on the same page, eliminating uncertainty about who can do what. And you can assign tasks one at a time or in bulk and define groups of users who should all have the same ability, more big time savers. We've also simplified our pre-built roles by replacing a two-tier system of composite and primary duty roles with a single tier of simplified duty roles. And of course, security continues to be enforced in your Risk Cloud dashboards and reports, just like this one. Bottom line, all those enhancements are making it easier than ever to design ERP and HCM security, automate reporting of separation of duties compliance, continuously monitor security after go-live, digitize certification of users' access, continuously monitor configuration changes along with payments and other critical transactions, and digitize compliance, audit, and certification workflows and enterprise risk management. If you'd like to learn more, please take a look at these resources at oracle.com/readiness. And if you have questions, I hope you reach out. Thanks for listening.